How to use fire extinguisher. When it comes to accidents, it is inevitable to have fire, so be prepared on how to use fire extinguisher with the following steps. Step 1. Know how fire extinguishers are classified. Class A extinguishers are for common combustibles like paper or wood. Class B are for flammable liquids, and Class C are for electrical fires. The Red Cross recommends Class A VC classified fire extinguishers for home use. Step 2. Inspect the fire extinguisher before use. Read instructions and warnings. Check that pressure gauge needle is in the green portion of the gauge. And check for a dodged nozzle, a broken seal, or other damage. Fire extinguisher won't work if it is not properly charged. The pressure gauge measures the charge. Step 3. Decide if you will evacuate or stay and fight the fire. Consider the size of the fire, the amount of smoke in the room, and whether there is a reliable escape route. Step 4. Remember the acronym PASS. It stands for pull, aim, squeeze, and switch. Step 5. Pull the pin or ring that unlocks the fire extinguisher's operating handle and aim the extinguishers at the face of fire. Aim at the fire from 6 to 8 feet away. Step 6. Squeeze the extinguisher's level to discharge its contents and shift the hose back and forth until the extinguisher is empty.